Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. And today I decided to take down our pool. Since summer is over and winter is around the corner, I think it's time to store the pool for the next year. First, of course, is we want to make sure that the pool is clean before we put it in the box or container. So here's my pool. It's kind of dirty. It's because it's been raining and I haven't cleaned it up, and it's algae there and all that because like I said, it's been raining and I don't have a time to do chlorine or shock, so I'll just clean it up and store it for the next year. So bear with me and to see what we how to clean it up your pool. Let's do it. So here's the hose that I tried to drain this water. So it takes a little bit time. It's because the flow of the water is too slow, but it's okay. I'll wait, and yeah, we'll do it, guys. And going to, here you are. So it's still draining. It's so slow, but that's the water hose. So it's okay. I am not in a hurry. So now we're taking out the pump so we can store it as well. And we're just gonna do this. And that's it. So easy. This everything before we stored, we are gonna clean it up, and we still have some water in there. We don't know what we're gonna do, but hopefully, yeah, we have the brush in there, and hopefully we're gonna be done today. Not sure, we'll see.
There's a bug on your leg. Where? On your leg.
So we have a hose in here, but it's not working. Maybe because it's not too flat. So you have to do it manually, taking out the water.
Put in here.
A what?
Remember that I put sand in here?
On the side too, not. Brush it on the side too, not. That's what I'm doing. Over here on top.
you guys gonna put the sand that's under a little play area for Maya? Just letting it set. Yeah, and yeah, a little bit, yeah. Then I'll
Love you too.
Saan ba ito siya lahat bro? Something. Kasi gawin siguro sa
Siguro no. Edges are all clean except the one in the middle, but it's okay as long as it's clean. And some colors are faded is because of the chlorine shock, but it's still okay. The liners are very thick, so still good. It's just some stains.
I like to walk with my heel on this because it feels weird.
Yeah.
And you can feel the sand from under.
Evacuate. Ay, sus. We remove these pins, all of it, and then we'll remove this bar. So let's do it. Evacuate. Ay, sus. Touch that. So we got our pool clean. We clean also outside, but it's a lot of work. So hi guys, I think we want it. We want it taking out, but I think it's better to just put it there and not to put it all together because it's a lot of work. Worth it though, because it's we're gonna store it for like 6 months, but it's a lot of work. So if I were you, idea to do it, you need like about 5 people to do it, or 4, 5. It's just too big. But yep, we're almost done. So let's do this. make sure it's all clean. Ora ni sila. Gamay ra di ay. Man di ang uban. Nasulod na ni Papa. So, hi guys. This is the container that I'm gonna use to put my pool. And this Keter deck storage I got at Sam's Club. I pay about $79 or 86 plus tax. This one is 101 gallon storage.
Yeah.
And this is a weather resistant, waterproof. So, alright guys, that's our pool. Stuff in there, filter, and the bars, the metal.
Yeah, bars the metal
bar. So yeah, that's it. And this one is perfect with your pool accessories. And alright guys, thank you for watching.